सबको सलाम पहुँचे। आज जिस तरह के आप लोग देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे, हम हार्विंगटन हॉल पे आए हैं। जिस तरह के आप लोग देख सकते हैं, बड़ी खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग है ये। और आज हम लोग इसके अंदर जाकर भी हम इसको अंदर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, और जो ये अपने अंदर सीक्रेट्स होल्ड करता है, हम उसको भी सामने अनकवर किए करेंगे। हार्विंगटन हॉल लकीली ओपन है, और अभी मैं आपको अंदर चल के भी कुछ चीज़ दिखाता हूँ। जस्ट आप इधर देख सकते हैं, इधर इनके इवेंट्स और इन सब का है। और आगे जाकर इधर ही हमारे एंट्रेंस में ही एक प्रीस्ट हाइड का भी है। अगर थोड़ा सा देखिए इधर गौर से थोड़ी सी साइड को, तो हमें लाइट्स दिखती हैं, जिससे पता चलता है कि ये एक प्रीस्ट हाइड है। लेकिन ये भी बात याद रखनी कि इधर होल नहीं बनी है, ये तो बाद में उन्होंने डिस्कवर किया था। ये भी आप लोग इधर भी देख सकते हैं कि बड़ी एक खूबसूरत इधर गार्डन और प्लांट्स का डिज़ाइन है, बड़ा अच्छा। और अगर अभी हम लोग थोड़ा सा आगे भी जाएं तो हमें आउट ऑफ पैटर्न विंडोज भी दिखते हैं। दीज वर टू कंफ्यूज द प्रीस्ट हंटर सो दे कुड नॉट गेट द। तरह के आप इधर भी देख सकते हैं, ये इधर एक बैरल है जो कि स्टोरेज के लिए यूज़ किया जाती थी। यीशु मसीह के भी ज़माने में इस तरह वाइन स्टोर करने के लिए इसको यूज़ किया जाता था। और अभी हम लोग इनके सिटिंग रूम में आ गए, जो यहाँ पर इनके सारे हार्विंगटन हॉल के अलग अलग रूम की इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में है लिखा हुआ है। इस तरह के मतलब कि ये सारे हार्विंगटन हॉल को पेंटिंग्स और इसकी जो चीज़ें थी और इसके रूम्स को कवर करता है, और उनके बारे में उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन देता है। और इसी तरह के आप लोग इधर भी देख सकते हैं, इनके ये इधर लीफलेट्स लगे हुए हैं। सो इफ़ यू नीड more information you can use those. Now we are going up the stairs so we can upper part of the Harvington Hall, the first floor, so we can also uncover the secret. अच्छा जी. So now we're in the great kitchen. So इधर जो होते होंगे ना पैकिंगटन फैमिली के सर्वेंट्स, वो उनका खाना तैयार करते होंगे। जिस तरह के आप लोग इधर देख भी सकते हैं, बड़ा एक टिपिकल मेडिवल फूड सेटअप भी है इधर। एंड देयर इज आल्सो अ प्रीस्ट हाइड हियर व्हिच आई विल शो यू अर्लियर। एंड this also has a well in here, which is a rare thing in houses, even in that old. So if I open this, it will be filtered from the moss outside. I showed you, and see, it's water in there, and it would have been clean like the tap water we drink today. And what is that? Yeah, that's the bucket which they would have used so they could get the water from there. Isn't that cool? And this also place has 2 ovens, one for the grilling whole chicken and stuff like that. So there would have been a boy here who would have spinned the thing with the meat in there. And the second one, it was used for pies, so they could make pies. And one of the more parts, it was a priest side in the bread oven as well. So yeah, that's the oven for pies, and there's a priest side here. That's the priest side, and the priest would go in, and it would lead up to the shaft. So now we'll be going to the brewer's house. So now we're going to the brewer room, where like they would have made wine. So there were supposed to be barrels there in which there were like what do you call them? Yeah, grapes. So they will do this so they could make wine in their own house. Isn't that cool? Like in today's times, people go to places so they can get wine. And there is a priest side here, of course. Of course, so it is like near the oven, so it must have been very hot for the priest to actually hide in there, as you can see. अगर अभी हम लोग थोड़ा सा आगे जाए तो ये हम लोग इधर हर्ब के गार्डन के अंदर चले जाएंगे, मिस्टर पैकिंगटन के घर में इधर जो होगा गार्डन के अंदर वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें होंगी, फॉर एग्जांपल oregano and stuff like that. I tried to going there, but I thought it was like not allowed for us to going, but I figured out that we could go there. तो अभी हम लोग हैं लेडी येट्स के बेडरूम के अंदर। ये उसका एक बहुत अच्छा बेड था और ये उसकी चिमनी है इधर, और इधर ये लोगों ने ब्लैक पेंट किया हुआ ताकि लोगों को लगे कि ये अभी भी यूज़ की जाती है। और लेडी येट जो थी वो मिस्टर पैकिंगटन की सबसे ज़्यादा एल्डेस्ट डॉटर थी। और जस्ट टू टेल यू वन मोर थिंग, इधर एक और priest hide भी थी। You know it's a bit disgusting, but down there it was a priest hide there. It's hidden. I mean, like nobody could predict that a priest could be hiding in there. Just to tell you, Mr. Packington was a Christian. So in that time there were like a lot of Christian people there, and they had to practice their religion. Queen Elizabeth I was reigning that time, and she didn't allow transubstantiation. She said it was only supposed to be for remembrance, not for the bread and wine to turn into blood and the body of Jesus Christ. So yeah, these people still wanted to do that, and that's why they made what shall we say, priesthoods. अभी हम लोग आगे हैं withdrawing room के अंदर। इधर जो होते थे लोग को मिस्टर पैकिंगटन की जो वैल्यूड गेस्ट्स हुआ करते थे, जिस तरह के ख़ास गेस्ट्स हुआ करते थे, उनकी इधर बैठ कर खातिरदारी की जाती थी, या फिर अगर वो नहीं होते थे then the ladies would sit here and have a good time. And there also a priest hide here. So the ladder here, which I'm going to show you, it leads not up but down a priest hide, which might be going up, but no, it's not. It's not going up. So the door open there is for the priest hide actually, and the ladder would be used for the priest to put there, and then it would go down. I guess it was like very deep, 5 foot maybe. I can't remember the exact height, but it would have been very deep in there. The great chamber. In here, Mr. Packington would have, with his family, spent a good time and like having dinner or stuff like that. Okay, and they will be entertained while they were eating. As you can see, there is paintings of Mr. Humphrey Packington, because a lot of people were named Packington. And to be precise, it was Humphrey Packington. As you can see, like wooden decorations as well, which is now covered with the planks. But it would have been very beautiful back then, wouldn't it? Just imagine having a lot of beautiful things in one house. Now we're in Dr. Dodd's library, where he would have spent his time alone studying and reading books. And one thing I find magnificent is the priest hides. You might have thinking this is a normal wooden plank, but no, boy. I just figured this out myself. I wasn't able to open this. This is a priest hide, and this was hidden even after the person was actually hidden. So and who found it? It was just a random lad who was roaming around Harvington Hall, and he just found it from the window, which I will show you. Let's just close it right now, because we need to go and uncover other secrets in this house as well. And did you know this house has 7 priest hides, and I'm voice overing this because like this place was built like this. I don't know, man. Like honestly, not even gonna lie now, I was speaking like very rightly, but I don't know, some voice cancelling devices kept erasing my voice out of nowhere, man. Like I don't know, like go away. So now we're at the south room. So we can't go in the south room, but I can show you outside. So as you can see, there are pictures and paintings of the art they used to make in this. For example, there
is a mermaid which was drawn a long time ago, and it's eroded a lot, but it's very faint, but you can see it. And now, let me see you the window beside us. Yes, and this was behind the herb garden door. Okay, which I thought we couldn't go in, but ended up we could go in. हम लोग उस जगह पे आगे जिसके बारे में आपको मैंने बताया था. अभी इस जो पीछे आप देख सकते हैं, वो जो मैंने आपको पहले प्री साइड दिखाई थी, उसका डिस्कवर उसको ऐसे किया गया. इस तरह के आप लोग देख सकते हैं. इधर से ही एक बच्चा था, वो ऐसे ही हार्विंगटन हॉल के अराउंड घूम रहा था और उसको से एक विंडो दिखी. फिर जब उधर क्योंकि लाइट ऑन थी इधर, उसने उधर से सीट देखी एक. So then he figured out, yeah, it was a priest hide that was never founded, but just by him. Now we're at the small chapel, and this place was for Mr. Paddington, and he privately worshipped and spent time with God. So here, as you can see, are red and white tear droplets. So the white ones represent purity, and the red ones represent Jesus' blood. Now we're going to go in nursery now. So this is the place where the kids would be, and this is an old artifact, rosary, found under the floorboards in the priest rooms made from holly. Very old. And this is the you can say robes that the priests would wear when they were going to do transubstantiation. What else is a bit weird? Now we give kids the ones which have like wheels, but here it was I'd say it's a bit more hard for the kids to actually walk in this. अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं लार्ज चैपल के अंदर, और इधर आपको लगता होगा कि एक नॉर्मल टिपिकल बेडरूम है, लेकिन नहीं, इधर वो ट्रांसबस्टेंटिएशन किया करते थे, जिस तरह के आप लोग इधर देख सकते हैं. और इधर के आप लोग विंडोज़ को भी देख सकते हैं कि जिस तरह के ये बहुत मतलब हाइट ऊपर है इनकी बहुत ज़्यादा, जिसको ये हार्ड बनाने के लिए था ताकि प्रीस्ट हंटर्स को पता ना चले या फिर बाहर से किसी को पता ना चले कि अंदर ट्रांसबस्टेंटिएशन हो रही है. और लेकिन अभी भी अगर प्रीस्ट हंटर्स आ जाते थे तो ये लोग इधर एक चाबी मेरे पास लकीली पड़ी हुई है, जो कि निकालते कैसे हैं. एक मिनट हाँ अभी निकालता हूँ, मैं निकालता. हाँ अभी मैंने ये मैंने निकाली थोड़ी सी मम्मा की हेल्प के साथ. और अभी हम लोग इधर ये खोलते होते थे, ठीक है, सारा सामान अंदर रखा जाता था. और फिर बाद में जो कैबिन, ये एक मतलब कैबिनेट हुआ करती थी, उसको इधर से स्लाइड किया जाता था. And now we're in the priest's room, and we are here, and as you can see the furniture here is also different as well. Like it's more royal than the other ones because they were very highly respected in the Elizabethan times. And now that was the closet, and as you can see here is some notes, and the really thing I like is the quill. Okay, I didn't knew the name of it, but I eventually got it known by my mom. And there was supposed to be a priest hide here, and there was supposed to be a priest hide here, and but this is locked now. So let's give you a tour of the room, and then we shall go to the other rooms. And now we're in the so-called marble room. I'm not sure why is it called the marble room, but yeah, we are here, and we're here for a reason, because here is a priest hide as well. So if you see here in the chimney, it's not really burned up, but it's actually painted black. And as you can see from the mirror, there's a priest hide up there in the shaft. So if the priest hunters were to come, it could go there and hide till the priest hunters were actually gone. तो अभी हम लोग इधर एक और प्रीस्ट हाइड के अंदर आ गए हैं, जो कि इधर एक क्लेवरली एक स्टेयर केस के जो है नीचे रिजाइड करती है। और जिस तरह के आप लोग अभी देख सकते हैं ये बड़ी टाइट होती होगी, लेकिन उधर एक प्रीस्ट छुपता होगा। और इधर अगर हम लोग इसको जूम आउट करें तो इधर थोड़े से डायमंड्स भी पड़े हुए हैं, ताकि अगर कोई प्रीस्ट हंटर को इसका पता चल जाए तो वो उनको बता सकते हैं कि दिस इज़ जस्ट फॉर आवर वैल्यूबल्स एंड नथिंग डेफिनेटली मोर। And now we are off to the Great Staircase. I don't know why it's called the Great Staircase, but I think, in my theory, it's maybe called the Great Staircase. As you can see, it's like really massive furniture. So basically, like, it's got a lot of space in it, and the paintings as well. It's supposed to imitate the feeling of the stair fence thing, I think you call it, on the. It's all connected back to the Great Chamber, where we came earlier in this video. It's magnificent, really. It's like a maze. Overall, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and this was my tour of the Harvington Hall, and I hope you liked it and found it informative.